Hello, if you have SOS Only in the top right corner of your iPhone 16e, here's what you can do in order to try to fix this issue. But before you actually start doing anything, what you can do is try to contact the carrier in any way possible, or for example, check the carrier's website if they have information about the server status or something like that, in order to see if there is a system outage or something like that, if there are any issues on the carrier's side. If everything seems to be completely fine, then most likely, of course, there is an issue on your iPhone side. So what you can do is, first and foremost, you can simply restart your phone. So you can go, for example, through the control center, press and hold your finger on the power button over here for like a second in order to, one more time, in order to turn off your phone and turn it back on. And sometimes a simple simple restart fixes that issue. So be sure to do that first. However, if that didn't solve the issue, if you still cannot see the signal strength of the carrier, then what you can do is, if you have inserted the SIM card, just take it out and put it back in again. Make sure that it is installed correctly. Or if you have eSIM, then also make sure that it has been added properly. The next thing that you can do is perform the network settings. So you can go to the settings on your iPhone, then go to General, scroll down, go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, go to Reset, and then select Reset Network Settings. And this will reset every setting that is related to network, including Wi-Fi. So you might need to enter the Wi-Fi password again, because most likely it will be forgotten on the iPhone. So keep that in mind. But besides that, every network setting related to the carrier data or cellular data or mobile data in general should be reset as well, and this might solve that issue as well. And this is pretty much the only thing, or only things, that you can do in order to try to solve this issue. So I'm pretty sure, most likely, if you see SOS Only, if you have inserted the SIM card correctly, or if you have added your eSIM correctly, then this is due to the carrier issues having some sort of outage at a specific moment. Other things might not be really necessary to perform, but just in case, you can perform the network settings. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!